Join us at Free Tours by Foot on our Freedom Trail walking tour in Boston. The tour runs multiple times a week, and you can find your guide outside the Park Street T Station on the eastern edge of Boston Common. Look for your guide in orange. Boston's historic center may be small, but it packs in so much history. From an experiment in Puritan exclusiveness to an inclusive modern metropolis, the tour will cover modern buildings.
It's 790 feet tall, about 240 meters, 60 stories high. It has 10,344 mirrored blue glass windows. I counted them all one day, I know. Yeah.
And will follow in the footsteps of Samuel Adams, Ben Franklin, and George Washington as you learn about the Boston Massacre and the original Tea Party that took place here in Boston. Your guide will regale you with tales of rebellion, war, and the independence of a nation.
3 ships docked, loaded with tea from England. We're not going to drink it, we're not going to load it, and we're certainly not going to buy it. Why? Because of the small tax, and I mean, this thing is like pennies, man. But at this point, it's 1773, it's no longer about the money as it is about the idea. Taxation without representation is tyranny, man.
This 2-hour stroll down the first part of the Freedom Trail is a must-do on your visit to Boston. Book your spot online at www.freetoursbyfoot.com and join or